Today we're unboxing the Gskyer 9600. First, let's cut this open. Alright, box is open. Here's the manual and a little lens cleaning tissue. Next, let's pull out the smaller inner boxes. One box, two boxes, okay. We'll set them aside for now. And now, oh wow, this one's big. Any guesses what this could be? Let's find out. There's another large one. Looks like we've got 4 total packages inside. Time to unwrap them and see what's inside. Let's start with this big one. Here we go. Wow, this is the main telescope tube. Look at that finish. Beautiful. Now let's open this smaller box. Inside we've got the mount handle, a phone adapter, and even a Bluetooth remote. Perfect for capturing planets with your phone. Now the next one. Oh, nice. Eyepieces and accessories. Everything's packed neatly, and it really gives off a sense of ceremony. Last one, the biggest box of them all. Can you guess? Let's unwrap it. Now, whoa, it's the tripod. And look, it even comes with a built-in accessory tray. Guys, this is seriously gift-worthy. That whole unboxing, totally ceremonial. Here are all the components laid out from the box. Now let's take a closer look at the tripod, which is a key part of the Gskyer 9600 telescope. This tripod is made of lightweight but durable aluminum alloy, which means it's both sturdy and easy to carry around. This is the main telescope tube. It's fully multi-coated and supports up to 360 times magnification. This is a refractor optical tube built with fully coated lenses, which means it reduces glare and increases light transmission, giving you clearer and brighter images. It has a 90mm aperture, which determines how much light the telescope can collect. The larger the aperture, the more detail you can see, and 90mm is a great size for beginners and hobbyists alike. This right here is the lens tray, helps organize everything during your session. This is the handle, which helps you smoothly adjust direction while tracking stars. Now, here's the finder scope bracket. This is what holds the finder in place. And this is the finder scope itself. Folks, super useful for quickly locating targets. Let's open this. It's the diagonal mirror, which connects your eyepiece to the telescope body. And this, the 3x Barlow lens. It triples your magnification when stacked with an eyepiece. This is your 25mm eyepiece. When not in use, just pop it back into the box to keep it dust-free. And last, we've got the smartphone adapter and Bluetooth remote. These let you mount your phone right onto the telescope and capture stunning night skies hands-free. I'll be sharing the amazing space shots I capture with it. Now let's start assembling. First, let's pick up the tripod and rotate it gently to show the full structure. Then twist this knob here. That's how you adjust the height of the tripod. Now look closely at this small hole. This is where we'll install the pan handle. Installed, it lets us adjust the telescope's vertical angle. Let's grab the pan handle from the table. This part here needs to align precisely with that hole on the tripod. Make sure the direction is correct. Once it's aligned, insert the handle and tighten it securely. That's it, it's now installed. After installation, you'll be able to move the telescope up and down. Next up, we have the accessory tray. I'll show you how to install it. Tap here, this is where the tray goes. Align it with the slots, insert it in, and twist it. Once you hear that click, it's secured. Now let's take a look at the main optical tube. I'll show you how to attach it to the tripod. This one has fully coated lenses. See this mount area? We'll align it with the slot on the tripod. Like this, push one side of the tube into the slot, then tighten the side nut. Now the tube is firmly mounted to the tripod. Now we'll install the finder scope bracket. It goes on the main tube, align it with the base, push it in, and tighten the side screw. This is the finder scope. Insert the narrow end through the front of the bracket. You'll notice the bracket has spring-loaded screws, just like this. Pull down the screw, slide the finder scope in, and then tighten the 2 top screws to fix it in place. Now remove the dust cap at the back of the tube. This is where the diagonal mirror goes. Here's the diagonal mirror. Take off the caps. Align both ends with the connectors. Push it in and tighten the nut. Wait a second. Now it's locked in place. Let's install an eyepiece. I'll use the 25mm as an example. Take it out of the case. You'll see both ends are capped to prevent dust. Remove the caps. Insert it into the diagonal mirror, and don't forget to tighten the small screw to secure it. You might notice the optical tube moves. Don't worry, that's adjustable. Look at these two screws, tighten them like this, and the tube won't swing anymore. It's really simple and effective. This part here adjusts focus. Rotate it like this to fine-tune the image and get a sharp view. Now let's look at the phone adapter. This lets you mount your smartphone to the telescope for astrophotography. I'll show you how it works. First, unscrew the clamp and insert the eyepiece you want to use. Screw the cap back on to secure the eyepiece. Now attach the adapter to the main phone mount and tighten everything. This is the clamp for your smartphone. No matter how wide your phone is, it can be secured within the adjustable range. You can also adjust the eyepiece position to align perfectly with your phone's camera. Just loosen the knob, adjust the alignment, then tighten it again. That's it. Now we install the entire assembly onto the telescope, slide it in, and tighten the nut. Your phone is now connected to the telescope. And finally, here's the Bluetooth remote shutter. Once paired, it lets you capture photos remotely. Super convenient. This is the fully assembled Gskyer 980-600 telescope. Right now, it's 20% off. It's the perfect time to buy. The setup is beginner-friendly and quick. If this video helped you, hit that follow button. Gskyer is a brand built on one simple idea: to make space exploration easy and enjoyable for everyone. Whether you're a beginner, a student, or just someone curious about the night sky, Gskyer designs telescopes that are user-friendly, reliable, and packed with features that deliver a surprisingly clear view of the universe. This model, the 9600, is one of their best sellers. It's known for its large 90mm aperture, 600mm focal length, and up to 360 times magnification when paired with a Barlow lens. That means it's powerful enough to observe the moon's craters, Jupiter's bands, or even Saturn's rings, yet easy enough to assemble and use right out of the box. What makes Gskyer really stand out is their focus on practical design. Everything from the sturdy tripod to the coated lenses is made to enhance your viewing experience without making things complicated. It's the perfect balance of performance and simplicity. So if you've ever looked up at the stars and wondered what's out there, this telescope is your chance to take a closer look. I'll be walking you through the full setup and test views soon. If you're into space, tech, or just cool gear, don't forget to follow. You won't want to miss what we're about to see.